Hi everyone, I'm Ahmad Daliri. In this video, I want to talking about why business process management is essential, what's the roadmap. Also, I want to talk about some real established business process management and their achievement for you. I'm a highly experienced and result-driven in over 10 years on BPM journey. Also, I have had a privilege to work as a BPM consultant and work around all the steps of business process management. We help to many organizations in various industries like steel, oil and gas, insurance, PSP, ICT, manufacturing, etc. I succeed to create value for them. For example, in a company in food industry, I succeed to decrease the return rate up to 90%. Or in other company in the steel industry, we succeed to decrease the cycle time of purchase to pay P2P processes 30%, and many other valuable results for the company. Do you want to get this result for your own company? Do you want to decrease the time, decrease the cost? Do you want to create a discipline in your company and organize everything without needed to you, without dependency in any person? Let's dive into BPM. And the first, let me talk about why I'm finally in love in business process management. I employ by a good industrial company at the beginning of my job because of my patent as a mechanical engineer. We work very hard and try to do the best of ourselves. But sometimes we understood that something is amiss. We plan strategy, we use software, but at the end of years, when we want to present our report to manager, we understood that some of our object and our goal we didn't achieve. So I searched about that. I understood that we have a gap between operational level and strategic level. We should fill this gap. For the filling this gap, we need the processes. Processes help us to use the operational level and resource for getting to the our object and goals. Without that, probably we had some software like Iceland, or we couldn't create engagement for stakeholders, or sometimes we plan their strategy, or sometimes we plan their strategy and we couldn't implement their strategy. The main reason is rooted to processes and process oriented. After that, I search about the business process management, learn more about it, attended to many courses, learned many books about that, understood that process oriented can help us. So I started to establish the processes on my company. After that, I understood that I can help to many various companies by processes. I believe the processes can help you again. When we talk about processes, we should know that it's not a functional structure. It's a horizontal structure. They want to use your resource to getting your main goal. So, but what's the roadmap of business process management? You should pay attention to the governance of processes and how we can motivate other people, overcome to resistance, change their habit and change management, and etc. And after that, you need to learn about the process architecture. Process architecture is like you need to, for example, you want to build a tower. What do you need? You need a plan. The process architecture is like a plan, like a map. It's about the configuration of process on your organization. After prioritizing the processes, you should design in processes, probably by BPMN or BPC or other standards, but BPMN is most famous. It's the most famous. As is processes, I mean exactly as mean processes. The next step, you should analyze the processes, distinguish the bottleneck and a problem of processes, try to find a solution for them. And the next step, you should design the to-be processes and implement by software or BPMS or other tools. It's your choice, and choose. And the tools selection is the most important decision in your site. After establishing the business processes, you can see what create, you can understand the value of the BPM. Among this roadmap, for example, for analyze, probably you use process mining, Six Sigma, Lean Six Sigma, RC, or other techniques. Not it important. The most important is you know the concept of process and process management. I will record a video about this concept and you can see on my channel. Also, I want to create a short course about the BPM, process mining, and other aspects of BPM in my channel. So subscribe my channel and follow the upcoming video. You can learn everything about BPM. I want to share all of my experience with you and learn how you can establish business process management with help of employees and your organization.